Good morning, Clint. I'm Justine, representative from Andy. It's great to meet you today. I understand your role as a senior assistant purchasing manager involves selecting products that enhance guest satisfaction. I noticed your recent post on LinkedIn about the importance of improving guest experiences, and I think we can align on that goal. Good morning. Yes, guest experience is a key focus for us, and we're always looking for ways to improve it. To better understand your needs, could you share how often guests comment on the quality of their sleep at Fairmont Royal York? Sleep quality is a recurring theme in our feedback, especially when business travelers and families. Most comments are positive, but there's always room for improvement. Are there particular challenges with your current mattresses that you'd like to address? Our current mattresses are comfortable, but we occasionally get complaints about motion transfer, especially from guests traveling with children or partners. Based on your focus on guest comfort, I'd like to highlight two key features of the ND hybrid mattress. First one is the motion isolation. The individually pocketed spring minimizes movement, ensuring undisrupted sleep for guests traveling in pairs. The second one is temperature regulation. Our breathable open cell foam keeps guests comfortable regardless of the season. These features not only enhance comfort but also support positive reviews and repeat bookings for your hotel. How do you think this might address your current challenges? Motion isolation sounds like it could be a big improvement. Guests often mention disturbances when their partner moves around during the night. Temperature regulation is interesting, but I'd like to see how it actually works. We already have a reliable mattress supplier. I completely understand the value of strong supplier relationships. What sets Andy apart is our hybrid design tailored for our hospitality industry, which combines durability and guest comfort. Would you consider testing a few units to compare? I'd be open to a trial. It doesn't disrupt our current supplier agreement. However, it's not the right time to change suppliers. That's totally fair. Could we explore a small trial program for when you're ready to upgrade your inventory? This way, you can see the benefit firsthand. That might work. We do have a review cycle coming up these few months. To sum it up, the ND Hybrid mattress delivers exceptional comfort and durability, ensuring your guests have an unmatched experience. Let's schedule a trial program to get started. How does that sound? That sounds reasonable. Let's discuss the details and timelines for a trial.